How to make Chrome default browser on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. And once you're there, navigate to the choose default apps option and then click on browser app, and here you want to select Chrome from these apps, and this will set the Google Chrome browser as the default browser in your Android phone. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can set and make Google Chrome your default browser in your Android device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, I will see you as usually in the next video.